In the cluttered apartment, clothes are strewn haphazardly, dishes tower in the sink, and chaos reigns supreme. Amidst the pandemonium, a figure darts frantically, their stress palpable in every hurried movement. The scene freezes to reveal the silent question: the busy person's dilemma. In the brightly lit studio, the host prepares to share the easiest cleaning hacks ever with an eager audience. The animated title card bursts onto the screen, promising to transform your home in minutes. A kitchen countertop, marred by grime and spills, epitomizes neglect and stubborn dirt. With a single spray and wipe, a miraculous transformation unfolds, revealing a surface so pristine it reflects perfection. The words, "multi-purpose cleaners, your time, saving hero," boldly proclaim the product's transformative power. Chaos reigns in the living room, a whirlwind of scattered toys, disarrayed books, and cushions askew on the sofa, reflecting the disorder of daily life. In a mesmerizing time-lapse transformation, the living room undergoes a magical metamorphosis as each item finds its rightful place, guided by an unseen force. Order is restored, objects find harmony, and a guiding principle emerges: the one-touch rule: clean once, clean right. A whirlwind of activity transforms chaos into order as the speed clean takes center stage. In a blur of motion, surfaces gleam and floors become spotless, showcasing the magic of a 10-minute transformation. The phrase, "the speed clean," 10 minutes to a tidy home, flashes on screen, encapsulating the promise of swift and effortless tidiness. The living room, once a chaotic expanse, undergoes a miraculous metamorphosis into a haven of serenity in mere moments. A captivating split screen unveils the dramatic contrast: chaos versus calm, mess versus bliss. On-screen text boldly proclaims instant transformation from mess to bliss. The host stands tall in the studio, her voice ringing with enthusiasm as she distills cleaning hacks into gems of simplicity and effectiveness. The screen flickers with vibrant infographics, transforming mundane cleaning tips into a visually striking spectacle. The host's infectious energy fills the studio, promising a revolution in the daily grind of cleaning. The apartment, once a chaotic mess, now radiates tranquility, a sanctuary of order and calm. In this haven of serenity, the person from before now exudes contentment, their face alight with a genuine, heartfelt smile. The narrator proclaims, "Enjoy your clean, clutter-free home."